So, ladies and gentlemen, the legitimate question we are asking on the news hour tonight: why use Bharat Mata to divide? Joining the debate tonight, Dr. Ajay Alok, national spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author and scientist, Tehseen Poonawalla, political analyst, supports the Congress party, MC Abbas, political analyst.
Now, why Rahul Gandhi says this, that what is Bharat Mata, what is Bharat Mata? Because he wants to appease a particular community who has a problem in swearing in the name of Bharat Mata. भारत माता की जय बोलने से एक वर्ग इस देश में कतराता है और उसी वर्ग को अपीस करने के लिए राहुल गांधी ये बात बोलते हैं when Prime Minister talks of appeasement politics. The same is Rahul Gandhi, because he wants to appease a particular group, a particular community who hates speaking Bharat Mata ki jai.
Right of rebuttal to you, coming to you, MC Abbas.
So these are legitimate issues, Abbas bhai. Please.
Well, MC Abbas, I really want to ask you this question.
Navika ji, I'll answer this directly and also to my dear friend Ajay Alok. भाई मैं 3 लैंग्वेज में ये कहूंगा, आप बेहतर से समझ जाइए. पहले हिंदी में भारत माता की जय. मैं उसी वर्ग से आता हूं जिसका आपका पहचाना है कि हमारे वर्ग को कष्ट होता है जब भारत माता की जय कहा जाता है. हेल मदर इंडिया, नम्मा हिंदुस्तान राज जगे, जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद. I or my community has absolutely no problem. One Owaisi, sir, one Owaisi does not constitute the whole community. So let me make it very clear to you, Ajay Alok, Bharat Mata ki jai till my last breath. Second point, Navika ji, first and foremost, my friends from the BJP didn't have a problem and Modi ji hugged Shami. If the same Rahul Gandhi would have done, they would have called, oh, appeasement, vote palette politics, vote bank politics and so on and so forth. अरे भैया कुछ तो सीखो अजय भाई, मोदी जी से तो सीख लो. किसी को हक करने से कोई अपीसमेंट नहीं होता. और भारत माता की जय सभी कहते हैं, हर हिंदुस्तानी, every Indian true to its blood, true to its soul will say भारत माता की जय. May not be an Owaisi and we do not care. सेकेंड पॉइंट, अभी जो बात अजय भाई कह रहे थे कि डीफेक के बारे में दिवाली मिलन पार्टी में मोदी जी ने बताया, अरे भैया कहना कुछ और है, करना कुछ और है. वॉक द टॉक सर. व्हाट हैज द भारतीय जनता पार्टी डन टिल नाउ विद रिस्पेक्ट टू आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस? What have they done? Zilch? Just talking about it, or show me the execution plan? Show me the blueprint. You have nothing. Final point, Navika ji. Why is it that BJP has a certificate of Sanatan? Respect it, sir. No Congress, no BJP or any political party can have their copyrights on Sanatan. I, as an Indian Muslim, respect the Sanatan Dharma and I denigrate those who don't.
All right.
This cannot be a copyright of one.
Please respond, Ajay Alok ji.
Okay, now I'll tell you about your community. You say Bharat Mata ki jai. I'm not saying that you are not a patriot Muslim. I'm not questioning your integrity, but there are people like a Saudoon Owaisi who says, गर्दन पे चाकू रख दो लेकिन भारत माता की जय नहीं बोलूंगा.
You call the whole community, sir.